Wilson pulls up, thought he got fouled. Ralph Robin swishes in the trifecta.
Para dito sa Basilan, 8 points in total for Ralph Robin.
Na ilusot ni Noel Santos yung layup.
John Wilson was MPBL MVP in Season 3, as we have mentioned so many times, at 32 years old. You mentioned earlier, he is now 39. He is again in the running for MVP early in the season. So ang sinasabi niya sa akin, he treats each season as a completely new one, no? So I asked him, etong season na to, John, sa dami ng mga wingmen, no, na talaga namang napakagaling. So gusto pa daw niya makakita ng marami pang mga wingmen na pwedeng lumapit sa mga numero niya dito sa MPBL. Ken Juanito.
Maraming salamat, Mika. Kalaban na nila yan when they went up against San Juan in Bataan. It speaks volumes to the competition na meron ngayon. But it also speaks volumes to him rising up to the challenge despite him being much older than those aforementioned guys.
I am still here. I am still one of the best. He knows who the good guys are. He knows who the rising talents are. But he also knows that he wants to compete with them at the highest level.
Isa yan sa mga players na kabisado niya yung mga career high niya. Career high niya dito sa MPBL, which was 44. Alam naman natin kung gaano to ka-potent na scorer.
Yes. Actually, that's the same story right now. He's one of the lead guys. Wow!
John Wilson.
But John Wilson also with a terrific third quarter that we're watching.
Total now of 18 points. Comes away with a steal. Wilson will lay it in.
20 na.
Yeah.
Para dito kay John Wilson.
Fast break of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. He had a game-winning shot here at the Inares Sports Arena. Yung kung natatandaan mo, yung hop step to a layup.
Trademark John Wilson.
Yung pro hop, di ba?
Yes. JRU pa lang, napapanood ko na sa kanya yun eh.
Sa pantukay na galaw kasi yun. I think it was kung Jensen siya noon, season 6.
Oh, so recent na lang to.
Oo.
Hindi ko masyadong mamaalala.
Meron yun, hanapin ko. Tandang-tanda ko yun eh. Dito sa building na yun eh. Which is seen on Sky Channel 16, Signal Channel 21, Cable Link Channel 33, and DDT Channel 21 in Metro Manila.
Balik sa akin. Back to you.
Pinabasa ko kay Coach Mike yan eh. Nasa Mindoro kami. Mactalio, malakas yung tres. Grimaldo sa ilalim. Dinukot na lang for 2.
Ito yung sinasabi ko, the intangibles that Kenneth Mocon brings.
Basilan on the run. Mactalio, 4-on-2 fast break. No look. Bobby Balucanag soars and scores.
One of the most explosive two-leg jumpers in the league.
Outlet pass broken up by Noel Santos.
That would have been a dunk for Bobby.
Rios could hit that from the corner, and he does. 3-point shot brought to you by the Extreme Water Protected Speakers. Dive into music with Extreme Speakers. Noel Santos on the run. Pasa ulit. Rios. Tatalbog paloob yung kanyang layup. No-look pass. Makoy off the dribble. Kumingkayat lang si Jason Grimaldo with a one-hander.
Dito, peak level pa rin, pero pasok pa rin yan para kay Jason Grimaldo.
Janjan Salazar finally gets one from the corner. 12-point lead. Mocon finally gets a field goal